In this video, I'll show you how does PayPal work when buying something online and how to safely use PayPal step by step. Before you buy anything, the first thing you need is a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, open PayPal using the official link and create an account by entering your email address, setting a password, and linking a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This is what PayPal uses to fund your payments. Once your account is ready, log into PayPal with your email and password. Now you can shop online like normal. Go to an online store that accepts PayPal, such as an e-commerce website or marketplace, and browse until you find the item you want. Take a moment to review the product details, price, shipping information, and seller reputation so you know exactly what you're buying. When you're ready to purchase, click the Buy or Checkout button. On the payment screen, select PayPal as your payment method. After you choose PayPal, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Log in again to confirm it's really you. This extra step is part of how PayPal keeps your transactions secure. Inside PayPal, you'll see a full summary of the payment, including the amount, the seller, and which funding source PayPal will use. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. If you want, you can change the payment method, for example switching from a bank account to a card. Once everything looks good, click Pay Now to authorize the payment. After that, PayPal sends the payment to the seller without sharing your card or bank details with the website. You'll then be redirected back to the store, and your order will be confirmed. PayPal also offers buyer protection on eligible purchases, which can help you get a refund if something goes wrong or the item isn't as described. To safely use PayPal, always make sure you're logged into the real PayPal site or app, avoid clicking suspicious emails, and review every payment before approving it. And for extra security when shopping online, especially on public Wi-Fi, I recommend using NordVPN. There's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.